got a new tripod. It's the Manfrotto tripod for my iPhone XS Max. So I'm trying to like upgrade my vlogging gear to get me more in the mood to vlog. Like I always want to vlog, but I feel like I don't have like the right setup. So I'm on my way. I'm super excited. But right now we are in the car. It's raining outside like crazy. Let me show you guys. It's been raining since yesterday, so this is mad annoying. But we are on our way to the house. We did a pre-drywall inspection last week. I got some footage, but I wasn't like super happy with it, so I'm gonna re-tour the house. And also we brought the measuring tape. There's a lot of measurements that we need to take, so we're gonna be doing that today as well. But today is Cinco de Mayo. I'm craving a margarita, but also this weather is making me want to go home and get in bed. So I'm not sure what else we're doing today, but we'll see what we get into. We just pulled up. It is raining. The rain is coming down even more. Oh, they put the insulation. Okay. So we just walked in through the garage door, and we have like insulation padding, which is an update. We didn't have that before. And it looks like it's all through the house, so the next step would be drywall.
When you were, he said we can use this as storage.
And that, yeah.
And this space too. He's gonna leave this space open for us.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm starting the tour off in the garage, guys. And inside the garage is our like HVAC, heating and cooling water system. It's in a door inside the garage. And so this is our 2-car garage, super spacious. We got some storage area here and storage area here. Walking in, this is our rec room. So basically like our entertainment room, we're gonna be doing, this is huge, babe. We're gonna be doing like a projector screen here on this wall. We have our projector hookup up there. There is a bathroom in this room as well. And then there was supposed to be a closet here, but we had that removed because we want a bar. So our bar is gonna be in this area. Yeah, so this is our back area. It's like really muddy and icky right now, but we do have a really nice view of the trees, and there's gonna be like a stormwater kind of a basin back there. You can already see some of the water there. Eventually we want to build a deck, but we don't have a deck just yet, so we're gonna build one. We're just in here measuring because this is the first time we actually remembered to bring our measuring tape. So we're in here. We're in here measuring, trying to get a feel for the space.
Pretend like you're trying to take it out.
Like I'm trying to what?
Yeah, like you're trying to take it out. Try and let it go, see if I have control of it. There you go. Alright, so it's like from here.
It would be the whole wall.
Exactly.
Which is fine. There, nothing else needs to go on the wall.
I know, but look.
Okay, I'm going upstairs, y'all, to continue the rest of the tour. So this would be up from the rec room. And then once you come up from the rec room, there's a coat closet right here. So that's our front door. And then looking up, we're gonna have a chandelier right there, and we have a nice window. Up here is super bright, and the windows let in a lot of light, which I love, and it's good. This is gonna be our formal living room. So this is that place where nobody sits.
Except for me.
And it just looks pretty. Nobody, including you. And it just looks pretty. And this over here is going to be the dining room. The dining room is actually massive. We could probably fit a table that seats at least 8 people in here, which is my plan. There's a tray ceiling. And going down this hallway. Yeah. I'm coming, honey. This is the stairs that lead upstairs. And then we have another bathroom here that is just right off of the kitchen area. This is probably one of my favorite rooms. And I think this is the room that I'm going to be spending the most time in. Because this is the kitchen. This area here is going to be the kitchen with the island right here. And then this is our family room. So it's right across from the kitchen. So I think that's super dope. Like, you could have people over cooking, entertaining. Everybody's in the same room together, watching TV, chilling. So this is the fireplace. Another view of the backyard. I'm obsessed. I love it. It doesn't look like anything now, but I know it will be. This is our pantry.
You're doing so much work. I love you.
Who? You. I'm vlogging. This is a lot of work. This is our pantry here. And then this is going to be the island here. So, yeah. I'm headed upstairs to the 3rd floor, which is also the bedroom area. This is going to be one of the guest rooms. In my opinion, this is the bigger of the 2 guest rooms. This is the closet right here, but this is where my queen bed that I have now is going to go. And then we have another guest room. And I kind of wanted to do a day bed in here. And then we're also going to make this kind of a little office space for us. So, yeah. And then this one has a closet too, which is right over here. It's so weird because everything is see-through. So I don't know if you're really getting the vision, but I'm trying. So this is the guest bathroom. And right now it just has a tub in, but it's a decent size. This is going to be a linen closet right here. And then this is going to be where our washer and dryer lives. And then this is our master, which is freaking amazing. It's huge. I love it. This is closet number 1 of 2. We have his and her closets. The other closet is over here. And this is supposed to be the bigger of the 2 closets. So this is mine. We have views of our backyard, which is wonderful. We could be like, you know, not super crazy about having the blinds and being in the bedroom because there's nothing back there, which is nice. Same with the bathroom. It's so peaceful to hear that rainfall. Our tub is in. This is going to be our stand-up shower. And then we have a linen closet right here and a toilet room as well. So that pretty much concludes the tour. Everything just kind of happened so fast. So that concludes the house tour of its current state. This is pre-drywall before they throw up all the walls and all the doors and everything. Stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell for notifications when I post new videos, because I will be posting a lot more frequently now. We have 2 months to close and move into the house, so there's tons of things to be purchased, tons of interior designing and decoration and buying things for the house, and just a lot more stuff to come. So definitely stay tuned, guys. The rain is still coming down. It's pretty bad. Where we going, babe? It's Cinco de Mayo, Cinco de Drinko. Hey. Hey. Alright, I'm gonna run. I'm gonna make a run for it.
Alright, go. Be careful. Slowly.
I need a thumbnail, babe.
Good morning, my neighbor.
Come behind me quick. And do a pose.
They said the beach. The look at the beach.
It's a picture.
Oh, it is? How you know it's a picture?
Okay, let's go. I'm getting super wet. Babe! It was not. Oh! It is cold now. My God.
How many hours was
That was fun.
that? Was fun.
So where are we going now? We just pulled up to Banchan. It is right there behind the bushes. You'll be able to see it better. But this is our usual spot. We haven't been here in a minute, so I'm excited. It's about to be lit. It's really cold now.
So it says event meter parking, but they're not playing today, so.
We should be good. We could have even parked right here, probably. Banchan is right there, guys. Ooh, there's so much construction going on down here. Look, they're building right here, building over here. You gotta have coins to live around these parts. Coins. Coins. Oh, it's super cold. It looks dead in here.
Dead on the right.
Thank you. Oh, it's freezing.
Oh. Thank you.
Oh, let's look at this drink menu. This drink menu. Cocktails. I don't see margarita.
Ask them. They could probably still make it for you.
I can just have, ooh, no, sake's dangerous.
Just ask for a margarita.
I might have a Fuji apple tea. That sounds good. It has tequila in it.
What?
And gin and rum and sake. The Fuji apple tea.
You're not gonna make it all.
Sound good. So here's the drink. This is the Fuji apple tea, and this is the strongest drink on their menu. It has sake, rum, some other stuff, I don't know, but it's supposed to be
Tequila.
like super strong tequila. And I was gonna get something else, but this one over here told me to get it. So if I can't finish it, you're gonna be helping me finish it, homie. Okay, so I'm gonna taste. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna taste this so you can get my reaction. This is dangerous. I don't taste anything. I don't taste anything.
You don't?
No.
It's like a college drink.
Scary. Like
Have fun.
Enjoy
it.
It's like somebody, thank you. This is good.
Yeah, that's dangerous.
You gotta do that.
Oh no, I'm gonna drink it.
You know, you just put it.
I'm scared. I'm a little scared of it.
Why?
I'm not gonna lie, because I don't taste the alcohol. That's the problem. Yes. So I'll show you guys. She brought us. They have a new flavor of wings. We come here all the time, so there's a new flavor we've never tried. So she brought us 2 wings to let us try, which is super nice. So, all right. Get our reaction. All right, you ready? You ready?
So we're gonna have too many people in the comments.
Come on. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite. Like exactly what she said.
Yeah.
It's not bad, but it's not my favorite. The other flavors like
She could be a teacher. She described it perfectly.
the other flavors like
It has that fishy, salty taste in it. It takes you too long to eat.
Did you see how you ate that chicken? He literally and like it came out clean. Like I don't understand. Our food came out. The food comes out so fast here. So we got the wings to share. We always get the large because we like to take it home and have it later. But this is spicy, and then this is the soy garlic, and it is top notch. If you've never been to Bonchon, you need to try it. And Bonchon, you need to sponsor me. Hey guys, so I'm ending the vlog here. I don't think we're gonna do too much for the rest of the day. We just pulled up to the crib. It is cuddle nap weather, so we're probably gonna sleep a bit, take a nap. But yeah, I don't think we're doing too much else, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm getting my life together, so I'm gonna be posting more frequently. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so you can be notified every time I post a video. I'm aiming for 2 videos a week, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for our house journey and so forth.